Welcome back. Welcome back. Got a bunch of bees flying around me. Welcome back to the channel. You know, I tried to make this video about a week ago pertaining to the cruise control. By the way, look at gas. Gas is $4.66 for premium. And we in good old Indiana. So, what I wanted to make the video about was the cruise control. Let me move up here. These bees are going crazy. Crazy. It's like 100 bees flying around me. Holy shit. Okay. Anyway, let me pull over here because these bees are going not so. Okay. I got another bee right there. Look at him. Look. Anyway. So, it's always something. So, I want to talk about cruise control. And with the cruise control, you're going to, this button right here, hopefully it'll show up. This is the cruise control button. This is how you're going to activate it. I'm going to show you in a second. And then you're going to regulate speed by this, and you're going to set it. So, last time I tried to do this, it was a fail. And the reason why it was a fail, I'm going to show you why. So, I got a service too. Let me show you. So, it's in neutral. So, when you hit this button right here, it's going to change the screen. So, the reason why it was a fail, and you see it's green, you have to hit the mode button. All right, what's the difference? If it's not green, it's not going. So it was like this, and I'm like, why don't I have cruise control? Why don't I have cruise control? Because the mode button has to be pushed and held down for a few seconds, and it turns green. Now, and only then are you in cruise control. So there you go. So let's start this. And you push this, it goes out of cruise control. Okay, also with cruise control, you have to remember something. You have to be in second gear. There's some other factors that will stop you from not engaging in cruise control, but you got to be in second gear. So, and I'll show you. So by the way, we are in Indiana currently, as you can tell. And of course I'm riding in fourth gear, my favorite gear. Fifth gear is a good gear too, especially with that tune, because it gives you not just the shots fired from the exhaust, it also gives you the machine gun fire. I love being out in what I call more rural country like areas. I guess because I lived in the city all my life, so I guess that's why. Okay, after we turn here, I'm gonna set the cruise control, and I have the green arrow. Okay, so we're in third gear. Well, let's get in fourth gear. So you hit this button right here, and you see it changes. Now we got the green. So we're gonna go here and hit resume on this button right here. And now you can see it's set and we're in cruise control. But let me slow down a little bit. Should have did this on expressway, but that's all right. So you're rolling around, you're like, hey, you know, you already got it set in the mode right there. It's set. If you can see the button where it says set, and we are cruising. See? We're going faster and faster, and we're cruising. You see my hands, we're cruising. So there you go. Like I said before, when I attempted this, it was a fail. And it was a fail because I did not hit the mode button. And the mode button basically sets it. And it gets it. If you don't have the green on that display, you're not going to be in cruise control, basically. So to get out of that mode, you just hit that button again right here, and you're back out. There you go. So, hope you guys learned something. This Hayabusa has so many different, and I'm sure there's other bikes, but hey, I don't have other bikes. I got the Hayabusa. So, I'm trying to present videos to you guys. So, if you also have a Hayabusa or thinking about getting a Hayabusa, you'll know. And because sometimes, believe it or not, reading the manual, it won't. You'll see. If you get the bike, you'll see. It don't really tell you everything. So, unless I'm just hard of comprehending when I'm reading. So who knows? So there you go. I hope you guys have a blessed day. And until next time, later.